there! In this video, we're going to show you how to create a buy one get one deal. Instead of giving the same product for free, we can reward customers with a different product. Let's get started. First, go to WooCommerce, Settings, Dynamic Discounts. Click Add New Rule to create a new promotion. Enable the rule so the rule can start working on your store. Enter a rule name. Buy a t-shirt, get a free cap. Under discount type, choose the buy X get Y. This rule allows customers to receive another free or discounted product when they purchase a specific product. Next, define which products are eligible. In this case, I'm selecting t-shirts. Scroll down to Buy X Get Y settings. In the buy quantity, set min quantity 1 and max quantity, leave it empty. Next, go to the Get Product section. Select cap as the product that will receive the discount. Now configure the discount settings. Enter Get Quantity 1. Set the discount type to free. This means that when customers add a t-shirt to their cart, they will receive a free cap. And because the max quantity is empty, the rule can apply to any quantity above the minimum. You will also see an option called Recursive. Let me explain what that means. If Recursive is enabled, the promotion will repeat multiple times. Buy one t-shirt and get a cap. Buy two t-shirts and get two caps. So the discount keeps repeating as customers buy more products. However, in this example, I'm leaving recursive disabled. That means the promotion will only apply once, even if the customer buys more items. You can enable the discount bar to notify customers about this offer. Once everything is set up, click Save Rule. Now go to the storefront and test the rule. You can see the sale badge on the t-shirt. View on product page. You can see the discount bar that I've just enabled and the discount table. Add a t-shirt to the cart. You will see that the cap is offered automatically for free. And if I increase the quantity, I only get one cap because I have turned off recursive option. That's how you create a buy X get Y in WooCommerce. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.